Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So listen, y'all, Happy New Year's. It's January 1st. It's the top of the year. All right, in this video, what we're going to talk about is my trading setup and how you can copy my trading setup to go be uber successful this year. All right, so listen, it's January 1st, and first thing, what we got to celebrate is I just finished doing one video a day for a whole year. All right. Last January, I said I'm gonna go put out a video a day every single day consistently for a year on YouTube, and I'm gonna see what happens. All right. And we went from 150 subscribers to almost 3,500 subscribers in 1 year, all organic, no ads, no bots, no funny stuff. All right, just straight pure value and consistency. So everybody that tapping in, right, watching these videos, I sincerely appreciate you. All right. Now this year, my goal is to help you guys change your life, make an absorbent amount of money, change your mindset, help elevate your spirit. All right. Now, this January, it's going to be some videos that I'm going to be dropping, and they're going to be to help you in more ways than just the stock market. All right. I've been doing it here and there, but there's a few topics I want to touch on. So be sure to tap in, because I know that there's a lot of people that watch me for the stock market, right? Personal development. And so I want to merge all of those things, right? So be sure that you aren't only watching stock market videos, because you got to make sure that you elevating your mind, your spirit, and your soul, okay? So I'm here to give you that soul food that's going to talk to you, and it's going to talk to you right here, okay? Not just on the charts, but also right here. So with that being said, we're going to get into this video, man, all right? Now, I said you guys can copy my setup. Now, if you guys been watching me, you guys already know I'm here to help simplify the game, all right? First things first, you need to understand you got to simplify the game. Point blank period. You have to simplify the game. All right? Stop trying to do too much. Stop trying to overcomplicate the stuff. Stop trying to make up all these different scenarios and scientific computations in your head, and stop all of that. All right? I made a video that said if you could count to 3, then you could trade stocks. All right? Go watch that video, because I mean it. Okay? So we're going to go to the charts. I'm going to show you guys my setup, everything that I use, right? And this setup can make you an extra 50K this year, 100K, 300K, depends on what level you're starting at. But this setup right here can change your life, all right? It's changed my life, and it can change your life as well, all right? So with that being said, we're going to go to the charts, and I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to explain what I use and why I use it. All right. So let's go right here. All right, boom. So we got the charts right here, right? First things first, we got TradingView, right? Now, if you trade, then you already know what time it is. TradingView. Now, inside of TradingView, you can use indicators, all right? These indicators, they help you make informed decisions in the stock market. All right. So my first indicator, right, that I use every single day is going to be called the Strat Assistant, right? The Strat Assistant right here. Now, what this does is it allows me to see the strat setups. Okay. So y'all be emailing me. Literally, people email me asking me about what indicator that I use for this, right? So this video is to address all of that, right? Now, the Strat Assistant shows you your 1 candles, your 3 candles, and your 2 candles. Now, alone, these don't mean too much anything. But when you understand the strat combos and you understand how to trade the strat, what happens is you are going to be able to make a lot of money. All right. So the first is the Strat Assistant. And who is it by? I believe it's by, let me go here. It's by Ricky Z. Carroll. Okay, Ricky Z. Carroll. So go get the Strat Assistant, and that's going to help you trade the Strat. Okay. The next necessity that I use is going to be Lux Algo. Okay, Lux Algo. What this does is, you see these little this green box right here, this red bar, right? This little area right here, this area right here, right? You see this little gray area right here. You see this little red area right here. This red area right here, right? This is Lux Algo. Now, what this does is it allows you to follow, smart money, right? It allows you to see fair value gaps, which are areas of liquidity, right? Areas of liquidity. It allows you to see that. What else does it allow you to see? It allows you to see order blocks, right? I know everybody says support and resistance, but order blocks, I feel, are more effective, right? So, and then it has premium discount zones, right? So this area is basically saying on the 15-minute that IWM is on a pretty good discount, and this is a good area to buy. And then look what happened. It came down here, and then it went up, right? And it went up a little bit more, right? This equilibrium zone is basically saying that this area is where the stock is at a good balance, right? A balanced price based on the time frame that you're trading on. All right. This will look different on a 30-minute time frame, but when the stock does come in the area, it usually ends up rejecting or it will break through, right? So Lux Algo, okay, you go here, indicators, Lux Algo price action concepts by Lux Algo. Now the thing about this one is you have to go to the website and you have to buy their thing, right? You can't just get it inside a trading view. So you got to go to your desktop, right? And you go Lux Algo, right? Lux Algo. All right. And then boom. So you go buy it right here. Okay. And when you buy it, then you could go put it on your trading view. All right. So we got the Strat Assistant and we got Lux Algo. All right. The next one I use that I feel is pretty strong, that I pay attention to every day, is going to be your SATY ATR levels. Okay. What this does is it lets you know what the average true range is. That's what ATR stands for, average true range. Okay, ATR. It lets you know the average range that the stock goes every day. So if right here, IWM on an average moves $3.77 a day, right? It's only moved $2 so far, which is 54%. Therefore, you know that it has another 46% to go on the day, right? Some days it'll be less than 100%. Some days it'll be more than 100%, right? But when you learn how to use this right here, this can definitely change your life, and then it can change your trading as well. Okay, so SATY ATR levels, I use this every day as well. All right. Now what else? I know, so the EMAs, I don't use the EMAs as much as I used to. On the daily time frame, I will look at the 200 EMA because that will let me know if a stock is like on a discount, right? If it's under the 200 EMA, then that may be a good time to load up on that stock or buy shares of that stock. But besides that, I don't really, the 200 EMA is a good level to pay attention to. When I do look at the EMAs, because it is on my charts, I will look to see if the stock is in a downtrend or an uptrend, right? But if I had to grade it from like a 0 to 10 on how much I use the EMAs, I would say about a 5, right? A 5 or a 6, right? I don't fully pay attention to it if I'm just being honest. Okay. And then also the last one, um, I accidentally deleted it, but it's the VWAP. Okay. So the VWAP, so we're going to say VWAP, right? Volume weighted average price. This is also a good one as well. Okay. So VWAP, put that on your charts. And then basically what the VWAP does is you get to see the separation between the bullish and the bearish. That's all you got to do, right? So the VWAP is something that I pay attention to as well. But the main things are, y'all, Strat Assistant and Lux Algo, right? Price action concepts, and then the SATY ATR levels. All right. Those are the main things that I use on a day-to-day basis. And then we got this right here. This is going to be my Webull desktop. Okay. My Webull desktop has automatic buttons, right? Automatic buttons. So let's say I want to get into IWM call, right? All I got to do is click on the contract, and then I put in however many contracts I want. Let's say I want to get 25 contracts. Boom, right? Go right here. Now it's automatically loaded. All I have to do is click buy right at the mid, and it will buy at the mid price. If I want to buy at the ask, I can buy at the ask price. Okay. And then when it's time to get out, I can sell at the mid, I can sell at the ask, I can sell at market. All right. Keep these things in mind, y'all. Trading on a desktop has revolutionized how I trade. Because when you trading on your phone, right, depending on what brokerage you got to enter in the price. You got to click about 3 to 4 buttons, 3 to 4 different things in order to place your order, right? When you have the desktop on Webull specifically, and you can make your buttons that are hotkeys, all you got to do is say, okay, I want this contract, however many contracts, boom, buy. And that's it, right? I don't care if you're trading with 1 contract. I don't care if you're trading with 200 contracts. I personally think everybody should be trading on desktop. Okay. So, desktop, Webull desktop, that's my jam. I love it. I swear by it. All right. It's so much easier to trade when I'm using my desktop than when I'm using my phone. Okay. Now, if I have swing trades, then it's okay to enter in on your phone because you plan on being in those longer. But when I'm scalping, right, or even like day trading, I like to just have my desktop and operate out of my desktop and in my trading view. And it's that simple. All right. So look, you guys, that's all I use, right? Nothing crazy, right? Nothing crazy at all. I don't use no crazy stuff. I'm not trying to overcomplicate it. I don't have 25 screens, right? I try to be intentional with how I approach the game and how I approach the market, right? It's that simple. So please, 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 feel free to go copy me if you want. I just gave you guys the blueprint, right? And last year in 2025, I gave y'all that blueprint as well, right? I taught you guys how to trade the strat. I introduced you guys to a lot of things, a lot of concepts. And now it's time, after you consumed all of that information, it's time to really put that stuff together. And when you can put that stuff together for this new year, this is how you change your life. This is how you go run up a bag, okay? I also gave you guys a video on how to go from $1,000 to $131,000 in 1 year. I hope you guys watched it. If you did not watch it, go watch that video, right? This year, we're going to get in our bag, right? When it comes to content, when it comes to YouTube videos, we're going to go deeper. We're going to go deeper and we're going to go deeper, all right? So make sure you guys continue to tap in with me. I have a lot of great stuff. I have some very introspective stuff. I have some very deep stuff. One thing we're going to do over here is not only are we going to get to the money, but we also going to get to ourselves. All right? It's not about just money, y'all. It's about being able to master yourself and access a higher level of your consciousness. Okay? So I hope that made sense. I hope that this video helped you guys out today. All right? Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Hey, y'all have a great day. Y'all have a great year. Let's have a great January, and let's get it. All right? I'm going to holler at y'all tomorrow. Stay smooth. Peace.